our design, which is we are going to make. I have divided this session into two parts, today and next session. In today's session, we will just make the base plate. This is its stand and these three plates. And the rest of the main part, that is our load cell, torsion bar, and this fin motor, all these things will be in the next session. So let's start without wasting our time. We creating a new project, and from here we start with part design. Opening and opening. Create new body and create a sketch. For now I am taking it as an isometric view, and for base plate we will take XY plane. Okay, and what is our base plate? Just a rectangle. A small rectangle is there. So we will take a rectangle which first corner and second corner. Let us make a way to logo like this and escape. Now I will give some dimensions to make it in the center. Okay, so first I am giving horizontal dimension to this one. Let me give 22.5, and similarly here this one also with this, let it be 22.5 same. Placing it outside the sketch. So we don't have any proper dimension check. I'm just giving dimensions by and imaginations. Let it be there. Okay, so color is green. It means it is fully dimensioned. Now close the sketch and pad it. Let it be 3 mm or 2 mm. That would be fine. Okay. But this part is done. Now we will make these two over there. Fine. So I will sketch over this plane and okay. What we need is rectangle here, second rectangle. Two rectangles would be there at some distance. Okay. So how we will make? Just like this one. Like this. And this. Now I'm giving some dimensions to it. Let it be 1.5, and this one would also be 1.5 then. Okay, and this dimension would be, let it be 30, and this one would also be done 30. Now we will give some horizontal distance of this point from the center. We have to be 21. Similarly, this would also be 21 then. Okay, what else? Yeah, this point from, sorry, vertical distance 8, let it be 9, and this point's vertical distance, this point's vertical distance minus 9. Fine. Now everything is dimensioned and clear. Okay, so dimensions are also placed neatly over there. We need symmetrical, that's why I have given some dimensions so that we can have a symmetric. So let's finish this, close and pad it. Not that much, we need only 5 would be enough. Yeah, looking nice. We can see here this this much is done. Now this part is left. I will take a plane there and make this part. So let's start revolving it, selecting this face and taking a plane there. Okay, now on this plane I will sketch what I need to sketch, like this structure. So for that I am taking our polyline, let me check whether it is, yeah, exactly there, like this. Okay, so here I will give some constraints to it, verticals and horizontal, this one and this one, skipping. Now just adjusting it here, this point. Let's give a horizontal distance to it, let it be 3, and to this let it also, let it be minus 3. So now it is symmetrical around this. Okay, now we have to decide the height. So let's take a vertical distance. It's showing 14, let it be 14. That's fine. Now just escape it, make it isometric again, zoom to fit it into our screen. Now this one we will make pad in the opposite direction, and distance would be 5. Two would be fine according to this. Now we have this much. I hope this much is clear to you how these are made. So our next part would be there. We have made the base plate, two strands, so this one, and now we need one, two, and three. These three plates to hold our other parts. Okay, this plate is holding our load cell. Torsion bar will be connected to this one. So these three plates are left. Let's start making these three plates also. But how we will make them? We choose three planes, one here, second, and third, and on those three planes we will make same size of shape and then make them extrude or pad. So first plane is here, selecting the face, making a plane. You can see it is here joined to that one. Okay, on now on this plane I will sketch, what I need to sketch is just like this shape. This is vertical. This one is also vertical. This one would be horizontal. Then reducing this distance and just adjusting the points like this. We can also increase its height. Here at the center, we need a circle. So this circle would be at the center. Okay, so for that, I am giving horizontal distance from this point to this point. Let it be 9, and from this point to this point also be 9. So now it is also okay. This much is fine, and close this and pad this one. Reverse the direction. Note done. This 2. Okay. Face is broken. Let us check which face is broken. This one is broken. Selecting these 2 points and make them coincide. And then again make it here. Now close it. And now we can pad it. In the reverse direction, distance would be 2. Okay. Now just I am hiding this plane also. Says my now we do we need that circle there? No, not actually, but and here we would need that. For that, I'm taking this plane and creating a plane there at some distance. Sorry, into the negative distance. I'm taking it front side so that I can select at what distance we need that planes. Second plane, we need the second plane at here. Okay, it would be fine. 7 would be fine. Looking nice. Now selecting this and make it mirror around this plane. Okay. Similarly, I will take another plane from this at a distance revolving it a bit, taking this and making another plane, taking its front side at a distance. This is 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5. Okay, and this selecting this and mirror it. Okay, datum plane 3. We can decrease the distance here. Okay, now we can again select this and mirror it about this plane. We can't take that. So let us make only on this plane again, making it at a distance which we required. Okay, selecting this plane and sketch over it the same figure which we made earlier. Escape, just check, yeah, it is fine. Now in circle there, close. Now pat this sketch just to reverse the direction and okay. Now we can say it the right plane. All is fine. Hide this plane, hide this plane. Everything is fine. Now we can make it isometric like this. Here would be our gun, torsion, that one. Here just assembly part and then attachments like this. Okay, load cell, this one, potentiometer, assembly part, motor, and then attachment of pin grid. So this would be our in the next class. We will have to make a little smaller parts because we don't have that much dimensions that so that it has become a little smaller. So we have to adjust only in that part only. So in next session we will complete this big our actuator fin. Okay, we can do one thing. We can edit this sketch and extend it, but let it be. It is fine. Everything is fine. You, I hope you have understand this much, as these parts do not have much to understand. Just we use rectangles and simple shapes and pad only to construct this much. In the next video, when we make some other parts, they will also use only pad. We use only pad command to complete that part also. So for today, that's all, and hope you have understand. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section, and we will answer about to your questions. So thank you. We will meet in another class to complete this fin fin actuator to control our fins like radar and elevator ailerons, all that fins. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.